Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is NURUL IZYANI binti FAKHRIZAL and my final year project title is USM Carpooling System and I name it as GoPool Apps. So basically in this presentation, I'm going to explain briefly about the background of project. For introduction, carpooling is a service where there are many passengers with identical schedules and routes share the journey. This service is not as popular as other ride-hailing service. In USM, currently there is no existing system for carpooling service. So USM carpooling applications are proposed to be developed as a convenient platform for practice carpooling in USM society. The system should be capable for booking system. Customer will be able to choose their preferred drivers, profile view for users and drivers, ride payments via in-app payment beside cash method. Next, my proposed system would have the following objective. First is to provide a mobile application platform for USM staff and students to practice carpooling. Second is to enable customers to locate carpool drivers quicker. For problem statements, first is about flexibility issue, where public transport including bus service inside USM have limited operating hours, long waiting time and low area coverage. Next is about pricing issue where e-hailing service are quite pricey. And lastly is about safety issue when using public transport or e-hailing service. So for this proposed system, the user's security are guaranteed since this application will have users and drivers profile verification which will confirm there are USM students and staff before being able to use the application. Next, I proceed to propose solution. Carpooling app is a mobile apps as for user, while web app as for admin. User need to register first and log in before they can use the service. This app will prompt the user to enter the destination of choice and his location, and the available driver will appear, then customer can choose their preferred driver. This app will use in-app payment, so it helps both the driver and user from hassles of cash change. Then after a trip complete, customer can give rating for the driver. Next, this is overall module diagram. Under mobile app, there are 4 modules which are user registration, trip management, user profile management and booking management. Under web app have 3 modules which are account verification, register account management and rating management. For database, MySQL will be used for authentication and so on. Then proceed to system architecture diagram. On presentation layer, it shows the graphical user interface for users. Then on application layer, it consists of web app, Android app and Google API. Then the app will connect to MySQL on the database layer. Last but not least, the impact and benefits for these apps are: first is to promote carpool culture among people. This application is an alternative platform for USM people practice carpooling and indirectly promote carpool culture. Second is stronger the social connections among people in USM. Practicing carpooling among USM people will create a stronger social bond and forming healthy relationships in the society. Lastly, it is a safe platform. The users and driver security are guaranteed since the system will have users and driver profile verification which will confirm they are USM students and staff. Next, I will proceed to the project demonstration. So I will directly show the system demonstration for passenger and driver apps. First of all, new user need to create an account by keying all the details needed, which are their name, number phone, email address and password. Then it will authenticate the user's phone. After that, user can log in to the app by entering their registered email and password. After login, the main page will appear where they are showing the user's current location, the search bar and the pickup button. At the sidebar menu, there are a few sub-menu including app settings for the users to update their profile. So for example, user can change their username, password, phone number and so on. So that's all for user app. Next is for driver app. A new driver need to sign up first to create their new account by entering all the information needed, for example, their profile and their car's information. After that, they can log in as usual by entering the email and password. After login, it will direct them to home page where showing their current location with a small car icon. Then driver also can go to the earning page that show their weekly and monthly earning report. Next, driver can update their profile and car's information by clicking the setting button at the home page. So at this setting page, driver will click the button at the bottom to enable their services and also can update their profile. Where here is the example showing that the driver are updating their username. Next, the driver also can update their driver lesson by uploading their lesson. Then it will upload it after get approved. So same goes to identity card, car registration documents, car pictures and others. And lastly, user can click logout button to log out. That's all, thank you. For admin panel, first of all, admin need to log into the system by entering their IC number and password. After login, it will directly show the dashboard. At the sidebar menu, it shows the menu for all driver, all user and all trip. Under the all driver and all user, there are sub-menu which are accepted, new and rejected. Sub-menu for all trips are completed, running and cancelled. So here I am showing the example where there is a new driver who are registered to the app, need a verification by the admin. And if there is a new driver who are not eligible to use the app, will be rejected. The new driver who are eligible will get the verification. So at the rejected driver, admin can delete the driver information. Then under completed trip submenu, there are some information about the trip showing at the list, which are customer name, driver name, price, rating, and so on. It same goes to the running and cancel trip. Then to log out, admin can click the log out button. Thank you.